Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making Instapot Hearty Chicken Bone Broth Noodle Soup. Let's begin. The Instapot pressure cooker is 10 quarts and we already added the water. We're going to make the noodles first. We have here some rotini noodles and it's around 1 pound. We're going to add 2 boxes so that we have enough rotini noodles for the entire week. I'm going to pour the rotini noodles in. Next I'm going to add the second box. Okay, the rotini noodles are in. As you can see, the water level is at the half mark. We're going to close it up. There we go. It's fully locked. Next, we're going to push the pressure cook. And we're going to pressure cook it for 1 minute. There we go. Okay, it's preheating and we'll be back. Okay, the red pin has gone up. It's almost preheated on high pressure. Okay, it's fully preheated on high pressure, and now the cook time has started for 1 minute. Okay, it's been cooking for 1 minute on high pressure, and now we're going to let it natural release for 5 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, we let it natural release for 5 minutes, and now we're going to do the quick release. Going to push this button. Okay, the red pin has dropped back down, and now it's safe to open. The rotini noodles are ready, and I'm going to drain out the water. Okay, we set the cooked noodles into a pot and we're going to set that to the side. It should be enough noodles to last me for the entire week. We have here a tray of chicken thighs and we're going to put that in first. My 10-quart Instapot should be able to handle all the chicken thighs. And we're just going to line it on the bottom. There we go, we added all the chicken thighs into the bottom of the pot. Next, we're going to cut up some organic ginger into fine pieces. Let's open it up. We'll be using this amount of ginger. We're going to peel off the skin first. There we go. We peeled off all the skin from the ginger with a knife. And now let's chop it up. We chopped up the ginger into fine pieces. We're going to add the finely chopped up ginger into the Instapot. We have here 2 garlic bulbs and we're going to chop this up too. There you go. Just remove all the peels. Okay, we peeled all the garlic and now we're just going to chop it all up. There we go. We're going to add the chopped up garlic to the Instapot. We have here some organic celery hearts and already washed them. Next, we're going to cut the celery up. And we're going to put the remaining celery into the Instapot. We have here 2 red onions and we're going to cut them up. There we go. We're going to put the 2 red onions in. And then try to break it apart a little bit. We have here 12 ounces of organic carrots and we're going to add them in. We have here 12 ounces of frozen corn. We're going to only add half the bag. There we go. We have here some distilled water and we're going to add some in. There we go. The water level should be close to the 2/3 mark. We're going to add in some fresh rosemary, some sage, And lastly, some thyme. Make sure it's submerged. There you go. We're going to add half teaspoon of black pepper. There you go. A quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1 tablespoon of salt. There you go. That's 1 tablespoon of salt. And lastly, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. That's 1. That's 2. Next, we're going to close it up. There we go. It's fully locked. Next, we're going to pressure cook. And we're going to pressure cook it to 20 minutes on high pressure. And we're going to let it preheat. Okay, the red pin has gone up. It's almost fully preheated. Okay, it's fully preheated and the cook time for 20 minutes on high pressure has started. Okay, it's been a total time of 20 minutes on high pressure, and now we're going to let it natural release for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been a total time of 5 minutes on natural release, and now we're going to do the quick release. Okay, the red pin has dropped back down, and now let's open it up. Smells good. We're going to mix it around a little bit. There we go. Next, we're going to take some of the noodles that we made earlier and put it into a bowl. For the chicken noodle soup, you can remove the stems of the herbs if you like. I'm just going to leave it in there. And also for the chicken thighs, you can break it apart if you want. As you can see, they're falling off the bone. And you can remove the bones if you want. For the chicken thighs, you can remove the bones if you like. As you can see, the meat falls off the bone. And it's really soft and tender. See, falls off the bone. We're going to take some of the chicken meat and put it into a bowl. Just like that. Next, we're going to take some of the chicken bone broth and add it to the noodles. Okay, this is what we have today, Instapot chicken bone broth noodle soup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.